Meticulous craftsmanship and image quality. Hasselblad has always been there to harness the unique qualities of single moments frozen in time. The X1D II is an evolution of the X1D. Ergonomic, durable and compact. When image quality is everything, bigger is better. Every pixel is calibrated for maximum color accuracy, resulting in gorgeous, dreamlike images. A new OLED electronic viewfinder offers full spectrum color to see life more accurately. A large 3.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen allows for intuitive playback control. Transfer full-resolution JPEGs and RAW files via Tether or Wi-Fi. Edit on the go and share your work with the world. XCD lenses come with the finest high-quality glass optics, with a mechanical aperture and leaf shutter capable of flash sync at up to 1/2000th of a second. From capturing the fine details in the world around us to time traveling with the stars, take the beauty of medium format anywhere and be inspired.